How to create affiliate marketing website, Wix Affiliate Marketing. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily create your affiliate marketing website using Wix. So Wix is a very known website builder that you can use to create different kind of website. And for your affiliate product, you can go ahead and visit Amazon.com and look for the Amazon affiliate program. And you need to apply to them so that you will be approved to sell products to your website. So over here, as you can see, you have Amazon affiliate marketing program. So first you need to sign up and apply for affiliate, and then you can recommend some product inside your online website. You can just get product from Amazon and post it inside your website. And then once you have a customer who will click on the link from your website, then you will be earning commission. So as you can see here, you can earn up to 10% in associate commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. So that's how Amazon affiliate program works. So going back to the Wix, so you just need to create your account to get started. So once you sign up, then this is the main homepage. As you can see here, these are the website that I previously created before. And to create a new website, just click here, create new site. And after that, you just need to provide what kind of website you want to create. So over here, you can just search for affiliate. Okay, we have here affiliate marketing portfolio, and then just click next. And of course, you need to name your website. But for now, I don't have any names to think of, so I will just click skip here. And then it will redirect you to this page. So you just need to select what do you want to add to your website. Like for example, you want to add some chat, then just check it. If you want to add the online store, just check it. If you want to add the pricing plans, Instagram feed, let me check that one. And then after that, just click next. And then the next step is to start setting up your website. So here you have two options. So you can start designing your site by starting from the template, or you can choose a custom built site. So if you select this one, you let Wix create a site for you in just a minute, and you just need to provide the information if what kind of website you want to create and what kind of business you will be doing for your website. But for today's video, I will opt to select begin with a template because this will give me more option to customize the website that I want to create. And then you will be redirected to this page, and here you can pick the website template that you love for your website. They have tons of website template that you can choose from. So just scroll down and look for the template that you like, or you can also, if you want to start from the blank templates, then you can go ahead and click blank templates here, and then it will give you this option. So you can start with the blank templates, or you can also start with a blank template, but there's already a layout, and you can just add your own content just like this here. So it's up to you guys if how you want to create your website. But if you want to create your website right away and you want to finish it today, then you can just make use of the template. So I will go ahead and choose a template here that I will use for our tutorial video today. So bear with me for a moment. Alright, so from the third pages, I'm able to find this one over here, this marketing agency, and I will be using this one. You can click view if you want to view the template and see if you really like it. And if you like this one, then you can go ahead and click this edit this site button here at the top right corner. So just click edit. Alright, so here's our Wix editor. So we can now start customizing our own website. So here on the left hand side, you can see we have different options to add elements, add section, add menus and pages, add site design, apps, my business, media, and your content manager. So over here, you can start editing this text over here. And also you can change the photos here if you like to. And also you can change this button here. So what you can do over here, you can also add your own product. So assuming that you already accepted to do the affiliate marketing inside Amazon, so you just need to visit the Amazon store. And over here on the left hand side, we can also add page. So just go to the menus and pages and go ahead inside your site menu, and down here just click add page. And then over here you can select different pages that you want to add to your website. Let's just say I will just select the about, and over here I will just select this one, the grid, add page. And now we are adding this new page. So here's the about page over here, but let's just change this one to product instead. And then over here, we can start editing our product page. All right, so over here, I can change everything. So first, I will delete this one over here. I will click this three dots and then click delete. And then I will just go ahead and add elements. So I will just add some text like a heading. Drag this one up here. And I will just move this one down here so that I can put this one here. And I will just change the text to tech gift devices. Let me just also move this one over here. All right, so we have now the header for our product page. And then you can now start adding your product. So my plan is I will add my product image here, and then over here is the product description, and also I will be adding some button here for them to be redirected to the Amazon products. So for you to add your affiliate products inside your Wix affiliate marketing website, you just need to go back to Amazon, and over here I just search for tech gift, and once you get the approval for Amazon affiliate marketing program, then you can just get all the products that you like here, and you just need to click on the product, and you will have an option inside the product page to create your own unique affiliate URL link. So you can just make use of your URL link, and that is the link that you should attach to your website, like for example for the button buy now, so that your customer will be redirected to this page and they can make a purchase over here. And you cannot change the price. You can make use of the price over here because what you will be earning is commission. So here you just need to download the image, and also let me copy this one because I will make use of this as well. So go back to our Wix website. So over here, and then just go ahead and change the column background. So over here, you can add your own image. So just click image. You can also search for any images inside Wix. So I will just go ahead and upload my image here that I just downloaded from Amazon. So this is the one. So let me just upload it. All right, so here is the product here. I will just go ahead and change the background. And then over here, you can now start adding your product description. So let me make use of this. So that's our product description. And let me just go back to Amazon, and I will just copy this one. And this is the one that I will be using here. All right, so we have that one now. And then of course we can add a button. So just go add elements, and then over here just add the button, and you have different option here what kind of button you want to add. So I will just make use of this here, and then I will add this one over here, and I will change of course the text to buy now. And then over here you can now add your link. So just click add link, and then you can just go to web address, and you need to go back to your Amazon website and get your unique URL for this affiliate product. So again, once you get the approval for the Amazon affiliate program, you will have the option inside the product page here to get or to request your own unique affiliate product URL link. So assuming this is the one over here, I will just copy this one and then I will just paste it over here and then just click done. So once I'm done, it means that this button is now clickable, and if my visitor will click this button to buy now this product, then they will be redirected to this product page, and here they can purchase the product and you will be earning commission since they are using your unique URL to get this product inside the Amazon. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. Thank you so much for watching.